Hello students. Today we will study history subject of standard 7th and lesson number 5, the foundation of the Swaraj. Today in this lesson we will study following points. Introduction, Shahaji Raje, Veer Mata Jizabai, Shivaji's companions and associates, Royal Seal or Raj Mudra. Let's begin the lesson. Students, in the first half of the 17th century, an epoch-making personality emerged in Maharashtra, and that was Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Students, epoch-making means point making the start of a new period in time. So, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj was an epoch-making personality. He established Swaraj by challenging the unjust ruling powers here. Shivaji Maharaj was born at the Shivneri fort near Junnar in Pune district on the day of Falgun Vadya Tritiya in the Shak year 1551, that is on 19 February 1630. In this lesson, we will study how he founded Swaraj. First topic is Shahaji Raje. Shahaji Raje, the father of Shivaji Maharaj, was a preeminent Sardar in the Deccan. Students, preeminent means outstanding. Shahaji Maharaj was a preeminent Sardar. The Mughals had launched a campaign to conquer the Nizam Shahi kingdom. The Adil Shah of Bijapur allied with the Mughals in this campaign. But Shahaji Maharaj did not wish the Mughals to get an entry into the south. So he tried to save Nizam Shahi by offering stiff resistance to the Mughals. But he could not withstand the combined might of the Mughals and the Adil Shah. The Nizam Shahi was defeated and came to an end in 1636 CE. After the Nizam Shahi was wiped out, Shahaji Raje became a Sardar of the Adil Shah of Bijapur. The region comprising Pune, Suppe, Indapur and Sakan Parganas located between the Bhima and Nira rivers was vested in Shahaji Raje as a Jagir. Friends, vested means to give a large gift. So, this area was vested in Shahaji Raje as a Jagir. This was continued by the Adil Shah, and he also granted the Jagir of Bengaluru and the neighboring areas in Karnataka to Shahaji Raje. Now students, we will study some qualities of Shahaji Raje. Shahaji Raje was valiant, courageous, intelligent and a great political expert. He was an excellent archer. He was also an expert in using the sword, patta and spear. He loved his subjects. He had won many regions in Maharashtra, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. South India was in awe of him. In awe of him means, students, people were impressed by his bravery. While Shivaji and Jizabai were at Bengaluru, he had arranged for providing excellent education to Shivaji so as to enable him to become a king. He himself aspired to establish Swaraj by ousting the powers of foreign people. To ousting means removing from power. That is why he is known as Swaraj Visionary. He sent Shivaji and Jijabai from Bengaluru to Pune with loyal and competent associates. Students, Jagir or Jagir means the right to enjoy the revenue of a region. The Sardars in the service of rulers used to get the revenue of the region as income instead of getting salaries directly. The region was chosen in such a way that the revenue would be equal to the salary. Next topic is Veer Mata Jizabai. Jizabai was the daughter of the great Sardar Lakhuji Raje Jadhav of Sindhkhed Raja in Buldhana district. At a young age, she had received military training as well as education in various subjects. She helped and encouraged Shahaji Maharaj to realize his dream of establishing Swaraj. She was a competent and visionary political expert. She constantly guided Shivaji in the mission of establishing Swaraj. At times, she undertook the task of giving verdicts for resolving the problems of people. She was very particular about giving excellent education to Shivaji. She instilled in him values like modesty, truthfulness, oratory, vigilance, courage, and fearlessness. She saw that he was trained in the usage of weapons and inspired in him the will to win and the dream of Swaraj. Next topic is Shivaji's companions and associates. Shivaji Maharaj started the work of founding the Swaraj in the Mawar region. The Mawar terrain is full of hills and valleys and is not easily accessible. Shivaji Raja made use of these geographical features of Mawar very skillfully for the purpose of the foundation of the Swaraj. He created a feeling of trust and affection in the minds of the people. Many companions and associates joined him in his work of founding the Swaraj. Among them were Esaji Kanka, Baji Pasalkar, Bapuji Mudgal, Narekar Deshpande brothers, Kaoji Kondhalkar, Jiva Mahala, Tanaji Malusre, Kanhoji Jedhe, Baji Prabhu Deshpande, and Dadaji Narsa Prabhu Deshpande. On the strength of these associates, Shivaji Maharaj undertook the cause of the Swaraj. Students, do you know about Baramawal? Baramawal is a region in the Pune Jagir of Shivaji Maharaj. It is also known as Baramawal because area included in this Mawal Valley are Pawan Mawal, Hirdas Mawal, Gunjan Mawal, Paud Valley, Muthe Valley, Mose Valley, Kanand Valley, Velvanda Valley, Rohit Valley, Under Mawal, Nane Mawal, Korbase Mawal. Mawar Valley in the Sahyadris was a region in the Pune Jagir of Shivaji Maharaj and hence it is also known as Baramawal. Next topic is Royal Seal or Rajmudra. See the picture of image of Royal Seal of Shivaji Maharaj. The objective of Shivaji Maharaj of establishing Swaraj is clearly expressed in his royal seal. The following Sanskrit lines are inscribed on this royal seal or Rajmudra. They are Pratipat Chandra Lekheva Vardishnur Vishwavandita Shahasuno Shivashaisha Mudra Bhadraya Rajate. Meaning of the inscription on the seal is, this seal will grow in splendor like the new moon. This seal of Shivaji, the son of Shahaji, receiving homage from the whole world, denotes the welfare of the people. The meaning of this inscription on the seal is important from many angles. Through this inscription, Maharaj has expressed his gratitude towards his father, his confidence that Swaraj would expand continuously, his own experience of the respect that the seal, that is Swaraj, commanded from all, his commitment to the welfare of his subjects, and the certainty of ruling over his land independently. This short inscription covers the entire concept of Swaraj. In this way, students, we have completed all the topics of today's learning. Remaining points we will learn in next video. Till then, enjoy your study. Take care. Thank you.